Brilliant black 1992 Mazda Miata C package with hardtop, one of 4,625 made. Original BBS wheels. Tan leather interior. Needs some upholstery work and some interior cleaning. Headrest speakers. Missing the original Nardi shift knob. This car is mostly rust-free for being a 92 car, first owner New Hampshire, second owner Massachusetts. It's pretty clean. Current mileage 138,410. Was told car was stored every winter, so it hasn't seen snow. It sat in a garage for a number of years after the rear end broke. There's the rear end, the 1.6, known to break. Car came with this extra rear diff. Looks to be a 1.8. Dead battery is out, original spare. Trunk is fairly clean. Trunk lid has these cool compartments. Here's the BBS center cap tool. Power antenna, maybe not working. It has a couple dings, dents, and scratches. Mostly no rust in the common Miata areas. Check it out. These are the common areas. It's fairly clean. I was quite surprised. The only place I see little rust is at the bottom of this fender. This part here is broken and missing, right there. This part too. This trim piece looks tired, so they will be replaced. Side view mirror needs a little work. Front bumper, little damaged, right there. Engine bay, quite clean and mostly original. Looks like a K&N air filter there. Currently engine cranks, no start. So what do you think? Pretty cool? Take a look from the side, some dings and dents. Mostly in the door, both sides. These tires look to be dated 2018. Look new, probably not driven on since it's been taken off the road. 2018 right there. Hardtop looks very good. It's a paint chip right there. Couple dents, Couple scratches on this side too. There's a big one there. Pretty cool. I'm looking forward to wrenching on this Miata. Oop. There it goes.